Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this episode of the Products Show we will be taking a look at the latest update that we have got for the Redmi K20 Pro. So the latest update that we have got for the Redmi K20 Pro is MIUI 11.0.4.0 stable update with the latest February security patch. So this update is around 630 megabytes guys, and it brings two important features onto the Redmi K20 Pro. The first important feature that is present inside this update is that the security level or the Android security patch has been updated from November 2019 to February 2020. So as you guys know, the Redmi K20 Pro had not received any security updates from the last 4 months, and currently we have received an update. So in order to download the update for your smartphone, what you have to do is either you have to click on the notification that you have got, or in case you have dismissed the notification, the next thing that you have to do is to go to the settings. And once you are into the settings, go to About Phone, and once you are in About Phone, you have to just go ahead and tap on the system update. Once you go to the system update, you will get the MIUI 11.0.4.0 update available on your smartphone. The update that you get onto your Redmi K20 Pro smartphone depends on several factors guys. It depends on when you had purchased a smartphone, it depends on what carrier you are using it depends on which region you are living in, and a lot of factors will be factored in. And based on all those factors, the update will be pushed to every respective Redmi K20 Pro device that is present in the market. So once we go ahead and install the update on our device, let's reboot the smartphone as usual, and then let's resume. As you guys can see, I have updated the Redmi K20 Pro smartphone guys, and the latest security patch for the Redmi K20 Pro has been installed over here. As you guys can see, it says the February 1st 2020 security patch is available, and the MIUI version is 11.0.4.0. as you guys can see, 11.0.4.0, which is the stable release. So the two important things that I said is, one is the security patch, and the second feature which is very important is present in the camera of your smartphone guys. If you open the camera of the Redmi K20 Pro smartphone, and once you slide to the video mode, you will get something called the vlog mode available. So as you can see, there is the top bar that is present, and inside the top bar you can actually see a new mode symbol which says V. So that V stands for the vlog mode. As you guys can see, if I click on this V, it will start showing a set of options at the bottom of your screen, which says a few set of preset filters or preset styles of videos, where you can just select those preset video styles. As you can see, there are a lot of preset styles guys, and you can select any of them as per the interval. As you can see, it has a 11-second interval, 11 second, 12 second. So as you can see, it just has around 11 to 12 second of video interval that is present, and whichever is the length of the video that you require, you have to just select on that and click on shoot vlog. And when you click on shoot vlog, the preset filter will be applied to your videos, and you can shoot the vlog in the landscape mode and get that cinematic effect on your videos. So this is a new update that has been pushed guys. Just after a couple of minutes, I'll be showing a sample video that I have shot using this feature guys, and the system stability, general performance improvements and other things under the hood will also have been changed. As you can see, I'm not noticing any considerable huge jump in performance or something. It has always been a smooth phone. It has been an excellent performer, and as I had said in my recent video about should you buy the Redmi K20 Pro in March 2020, if you guys have not seen that video, I'll be giving the link of the video in the card section and as well as in the description. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I have said about this smartphone in detail in that video guys. The performance has always been fantastic on this smartphone guys. Day-to-day application, opening and closing, the animations, the gaming performance, content viewing experience, and everything else has been absolutely fantastic on this smartphone. So guys, now I'll just put the video that I had shot using the Redmi K20 Pro's new vlog mode that we have got after the update to 11.0.4.0.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the you don't do, well I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tat up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel
So that was it for a quick video on the update that we have got for the Redmi K20 Pro device, guys. You can go ahead and download the update on your smartphones, guys, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, tips and tricks, and a lot of things in detail and in drivers related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.